Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting inside Settings. Tap your name at the top to access your Apple ID. Once done, choose Media and Purchases. This takes you to Account Controls and Purchase Records. Then tap Purchase History to load every charge linked to your Apple ID, including in-app purchases. This shows dates, app names, and totals. Make sure you're signed into the correct Apple ID if multiple accounts exist, because purchases are tied to one account and won't appear under another. Once the purchase history loads, scroll or use the built-in search to find the app or date range you expect. This narrows results quickly. Tap a specific entry to reveal itemized details. You'll see whether the charge was an app purchase, a subscription, or an in-app item. If it's a subscription, tap Subscriptions in Settings to manage renewal. If the list looks long, filter by year or month to speed discovery. This helps when multiple small purchases clutter the feed. After you identify the in-app purchase, go back to the app. Many let you tap Restore Purchases or sign in to recover items. Use that first. If the charge looks incorrect or you want a refund, tap Report a Problem in the purchase details to start a dispute or request. If restoring fails, sign out of your Apple ID and sign in again, or reboot the device. If problems persist, contact Apple support and give the purchase date and transaction ID. Troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.